Welcome to Unleashed Inventory Management Training Academy. In this video, we're diving into the AIM Insights Dashboard, your ultimate tool for unlocking valuable inventory insights and making data-driven decisions. The AIM Insights Dashboard is a powerful feature designed to give you a clear, actionable overview of your inventory performance. From stock visibility to demand forecasting, this dashboard helps you make informed decisions to optimize your inventory, reduce costs, and boost efficiency. Let's explore some of the critical insights available on the AIM Insights dashboard. Inventory health. Get an instant snapshot of your stock levels, including overstocked, understocked, and at-risk products. Sales trends. Understand how your inventory is performing by tracking sales patterns and trends over time. Forecast accuracy. Monitor how well your forecasts align with actual performance, allowing you to fine-tune your planning. Supplier insights. Evaluate supplier performance, including delivery times and reliability, so you can optimize your supply chain. Navigating the AIM Insights dashboard is simple. Focus on the data. Use filters to focus on specific products, categories, or date ranges. Drill down on data. Click on any metric or graph to dive deeper into the details. Manage tasks. Stay on top of review timers. Ensure you're evolving your stock strategy to match seasonality or shifts in customer demand. Check back often. AIM will alert you to important issues, such as upcoming stockouts, calculated by processing open transactions to check that sufficient stock is available. The AIM Insights dashboard empowers you to improve forecasting. At a glance, see which of your most important products are actively managed with a forecast. Enhance supplier relationships. Identify which suppliers meet expectations and where improvements are needed. Streamline operations. Quickly identify slow-moving products or overstocked items, freeing up capital and storage space. Make data-driven decisions. Align your inventory strategy with real-time insights for maximum efficiency and profitability. Getting started is easy. If you have AIM enabled, the Insights dashboard is ready to use in your Unleashed account. Navigate to the AIM section, select Insights Dashboard, and start exploring your data today. For step-by-step guidance, visit our support page or contact our support team. The AIM Insights dashboard is your go-to tool for smarter inventory management. Start using it today to unlock the full potential of your business. For more tips, tutorials, and expert advice, check out our other Academy videos or explore our help files on the support page.